It's me, Ashley, and welcome back to my channel. Today, with Christopher, we're going to be unboxing October's Glossy box.
Yes.
So the October version of Glossy box is usually quite exciting. They're usually pretty good Halloween themed or something along them lines.
Okay.
We've had like mystical fairy-fied ones, and the box is usually a nice design. Haven't seen anything about it, to be honest, this month, but we shall unbox.
Okay.
And Chris is going to help me. I actually have something for Chris.
Ooh, present.
To help him.
Yeah,
Got him his
cool.
own mirror.
Oh, if I'd have known, I would have themed up. I would have wore a t-shirt to match.
Just if he wants to try on some of the stuff like we've done previously.
Have you got anything sharp to hand?
I can find something. Do you want to
Okay, while you're doing that,
unbox that?
I'll do this. How exciting. Ooh!
Ooh, it's pretty.
So I can get rid of this box, can't I? If I can get it out this flipping box. Yeah, right there. Bear with me, people. I don't unbox often. Do we need to tell them about the stuff that comes in the box?
Nah, don't worry about
that. Okay. Okay, so. Ooh, I'll let you show that off while I play with my new toy.
Which way do you think it's that way, isn't it?
It's gonna have a.
It's beautiful purpley colours. It's got kind of mystic design. The Halloween boxes are like, well, the October boxes are always really pretty.
Yeah. So this is my present. I mean, so you Batman. I'm quite a big Batman fan. And the mirror's crap. You can't see anything in it.
There's a sticker on it, dear.
Okay. That's better. That's better. Cool.
Okay. So, shall we open the box? I'm going to do that. Get the little scan me card. And then I'll hand over the reins to Chris.
It's all purple.
Stop chewing your feet.
I'll do my best to sort of let Nick on it. Oh no, I might be able to. Oh, look, I even managed to do it without ripping the paper.
Wow. Something I can't do.
So, first thing, look at this stuff. Ooh.
What do you think you do with that?
Is it like for your hair?
Yeah. It's like the add-on.
Oh, it looks quite good actually. I quite like the colour. What do you think to suit me?
I like it. Okay, sorry, I'm just, wow, here. Then there's one of two boxes. You could either have got this purpley one or there's like a turquoise kind of design. I'll insert a picture if I can.
Oh, okay. Yeah, purple's cool.
The story behind the box. So this box is themed, written in the stars. Let your zodiac sign bring light to your unique starry-eyed look with a dazzling selection of makeup and skincare surprises. This sparkling and special edition will help exhibit a glamorous, memorable makeup style for every occasion. Tailored to you and written in the stars.
So yeah, you'll have to apologise, or we'll apologise, just bear with us. I mean, we've got bad paws at the minute to keep slicking them, so keep having to tell her off. That's why. So, first things first.
Okay.
This is Percy and Reed.
Yeah. Turn
Up the Volume, Volumizing Dry Shampoo.
Cool.
Now, I'd usually sample the products. Do you not think I really need to sample this? Can you? What do you do? You do put your hand behind it or something? Yeah, that's never happening.
It's fine, I'll insert a picture.
Yeah.
I've used Percy and Reed before.
Can I smell it?
You can.
Will it smell?
Probably not.
Yeah, I mean, it has a smell. But...
You get some Soap and Glory's dry shampoo, smells amazing.
Okay.
So this one is a either or, it's a lucky dip. You'll either receive both Percy and Reed, you'll either receive this one, which is the Turn Up the Volume dry shampoo, or you'll get a Tame That Mane Frizz Fixer. Both are worth £7.50. Okay. And I think I've got a sneeze.
Riff.
Excuse me.
And we're back.
No.
Oh.
Okay,
we were back. So, refresh your style with this root-boosting dry shampoo that leaves hair fresh, clean and volumized without any telltale signs. No chalky white residue. Ultra-fine cornflower powder absorbs excess oils while fine fragrance eliminates odours for hair that looks and smells freshly washed.
Yeah, that's good. Useful little travel size as well. I have been using actually some little Percy and Reed ones I've had and various other ones to travel with because it's obviously don't take up a lot of room.
Okay, next. Niobe. Natural and organic. Restore and nourish hair mask. Yet again, another product I don't really think I can get away with sampling. Insert picture now.
I can't find that on the write-up.
Okay. Can I give you any? Oh, there's some blur, but the text is really small and not printed very well.
I'm assuming we've got one that isn't in everybody's box for some reason. Well, either special or we're missing something that's going to be good, so we'll figure that out later. But yeah, nothing in here about that.
Okay, well the blurb on the back of the thing, you have to bear with me because it is really small and kind of printed bad. Restore and nourish hair mask that leaves hair soft, silky and easy to manage. Contains natural is it just going to go on with all the ingredients? Oh no, it contains natural triglycerides that add density and volume to hair. Formulated for all hair types, and then it just tells you how to use.
Like a hair mask. Now, Bear, I've had a few things from. I had a really nice hand cream from them. A daily moisturiser. Might do. The hand cream smelled like oranges. It was beautiful. I've really got a bad sense of smell at the moment.
No, maybe, but it's not a very strong smell.
That must be an extra little thing then.
Okay, next. Steve Laurent.
Okay.
That's all it says.
Yeah. Okay. It is.
It's a lip oil.
Orchid lip oil.
Okay.
It's worth £16. I do like lip oil.
Ooh.
Again, I'll insert a picture.
Yeah, insert a picture now. Okay. So right. I've put this on, do I?
Yeah, go and give it a try.
So is it going to smell?
Don't know.
I like how my go-to question is, does it smell?
No, it doesn't say anything on here about smelling.
So.
But it's orchid lip oil,
ooh. So, top or bottom first, would you go?
You go wherever.
Bottom.
Whatever you feels natural.
Well, not the.
Let's have a look. Ooh, pretty.
Ooh. That light's doing us no favours. Right in my face. So sorry, I apologise. But yeah, shiny, no colour. I mean, it doesn't look tinted. I'm guessing I think the bottle's purpley coloured, so I'm guessing it's a clear oil.
Doesn't need to tint, or sometimes it changes with your lips.
Them lips look shiny. Shiny now, the thingy.
The oil's got a bit of a purple tint to it, yeah.
Okay. We on to the next?
Yeah, sure.
Okie dokie. Next we have Bubble Tea Bath and Body.
So a product from Bubble Tea.
Okay.
Again, you'll get one of 3 products.
Okay. Oh, this one is going to smell. I'm guessing.
They're all. Oh no, there's either body lotion or 2 different body washes.
This is a body wash.
Okay.
Neroli and Tangerine.
Okay.
Let the feeling of this calm, moisturising body wash hydrate and nourish your skin.
Ooh.
Again, I can't really use it, can I?
Worth £9.99 apparently. But you can give it a smell.
I'm going to give it a smell, yeah.
Oh. I know, sorry. It's sealed.
It's fine, not for much longer, it's not.
It's fine, I'll pop it in the shower.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay. Yeah.
Actually, I might pack that up. I really can't smell today.
No.
Been fighting a cold. I think I got a little bit nasally today, so.
I'll take a bit off there. I say you do shit on the back of your hand. Sorry, stuff on the back of your hand. Frequently, we'll bleep that.
It's fine.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I don't know what neroli is.
I can smell it a little tiny bit.
I can smell.
In your feet.
I can.
So this is obviously the pink one. You could have got a green one or a coconut body lotion.
Oh, I like coconut. That smells nice.
I'm probably more likely to use that than body lotion. I got a stack of body lotions that I'm really rubbish at using.
Yeah, it smells pleasant. I mean, I don't know what's neroli and what's tangerine. Well, obviously I know what tangerine is.
Neroli, let's Google it. Neroli. Neroli is an essential oil produced from the blossom of bitter orange tree. Its scent is sweet, honeyed and somewhat metallic. Okay.
It's obviously riveting for Jacob.
Fast asleep.
Okay, on to the next.
Okay.
We've got 2 left.
Okay, so that must have been an extra, the hair mask then.
Okay.
So we usually only get 5 items. We've got 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5. Sorry, technical difficulties.
Yes, sorry, remember I got filled, so I apologise if this is a bit disjointed. So,
That's fine.
on to the next thing.
So we're doing...
2 left.
Yeah.
Which you're saying means that thing was a bonus, you were saying, weren't you?
I assume so, yeah, because we only usually get 5 items in a glossy box.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're up to 5 and there's 2 more left. There's 2 free things, isn't it?
That's the packet for that.
Oh, okay, yeah, fine. Okay, I'll let you off. So, the next one is a Beauty Pro warming eye mask. I'd say insert a picture, but you can kind of make it
So this
out.
one is worth £5.
Okay, and it is a relaxing chamomile self-warming eye mask. Or, en France, un masque pour le yeux auto-chauffant relaxant à la camomille.
Well done.
I don't know if I said I right, but...
It's fine. I do like a warming eye mask.
Okay, these self-warming eye masks are designed to help relieve tired eyes and create a calming moment. Individually wrapped, they are also the perfect travel companion.
Ooh.
Okay, it's award-winning, British
bag.
brand, 5 stars.
Yeah, I like Beauty Pro.
Yet again, another thing I can't really sample.
No, because I'm going to have that.
Yeah.
I paid for it.
Okay. Okie dokie, so on to the last.
Okay.
There's more fake hair. But apart from that, we have a Bibi.
I don't know. I've not heard of it, I'll be honest.
An eye plump.
Eye plump. Worth £20.
Okay, and it is a bakuchiol eye cream.
I'm trying to remember how you say that. Bakuchiol. There's a
Bakuchiol.
word. No, there's a word pronouncing it. Probably not
No, it's
that.
not oil, 'cause
Can't
it's
remember.
IOL, so
oh, sorry, I've got
bakuchiol.
oil. I've got...
Yeah, whatever it is. Anyway,
Yeah.
So it is a rich overnight
Bakuchiol.
treatment with bakuchiol, hyaluronic acid, and broccoli seed oil
Okay.
to plump, firm, and hydrate the delicate
Do you
eye
like
areas.
a good eye cream?
So to use, apply gently to the eye area. Best used in the evening.
You're really fussy about eye cream, aren't you?
I am. Ooh. Don't think it smells. I mean, I haven't put a lot on. Ash always tells me off for my application of eye cream as well.
Oh, don't.
Well, surely...
It's so rough. It's ridiculous. You need to be gentle with your eyes.
Nah, get it in there, so like that. Get it wrong. Bow. Well, surely the...
I apologise. This is not the way you put on eye cream.
Why isn't it? Surely the...
It's supposed to be really gentle.
But-
It's delicate area skin. They actually said to use like your ring finger and tap it in really gently.
Smash it in there. Get it deep. Get it working. Sorry, am I going to have wonky eyes now?
Yeah, no, you'll have one that looks really plumped up.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
What do you mean, how does it feel?
Well, you always moan about eye cream.
No, it's more the applicator. I don't like roll-on balls. If it's a liquidy thing like that, then it's fine. I'm not a fan of the roll-on eye stuff. But yeah, that's...
Okay.
I mean, I don't know why I'm looking in the mirror, I can't see it.
Well, one of your eyes might be suddenly
Lips
plumped.
still are nice and shiny,
Yeah,
though.
they are.
Yeah, so that's it. That's everything that came in the
Okay.
box.
So what do you think?
I mean, well, I couldn't really sample a lot of it, so I can't really tell you. Very, very selfish. A lot of it's for you and not for me.
How dare I?
Oh, so let's make this box pretty. So, but no, I mean, what do you think, dear?
Yeah, not a bad one actually, because I will probably use all of that, and that's always a good sign. Because sometimes you get bits and bobs where it's like, yeah, I don't know if I'll actually really use it.
Stack it nicely.
Ooh.
Oh,
But no,
there you
I like I said, the dry shampoo is super useful for travelling about and stuff. Hair mask, like a good hair mask. Obviously the shower wash, body wash will go in the shower, or it can travel. Lip oil, again, beautifully modelled by Christopher here. I like a lip oil. I like a good eye cream if that's good, that'll be nice. And I might pop the eye mask in like a flight bag for my next flight.
Yeah, cool.
So I should probably just point out, Glossy box costs £14.75 per month if you get it on a monthly subscription, but if you want to get it on a 12-month subscription, it will only cost you £11.50. That's what I have. I've paid £11.50 for this.
Yeah, good value.
Not bad considering I think the eye cream alone's worth £20.
There you go then.
So, Bargain.
Yeah, bargain.
Okay, drop us a comment and let us know what you think of this box. Does Chris look really pretty with his lip oil on?
Yeah, hopefully next video I'll have more stuff.
Yeah, it did say like makeup and stuff in the
myself
thing.
Look like a proper princess.
Yeah, it did say on the little write-up it's some makeup looks and stuff, but yeah, not
really.
much you could do with any of that. Anyway, drop us a comment, hit that like button if you've enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, that would be fab. And if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. Got loads more videos coming up. And until next time then guys, take care and we'll see you soon.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.